Bling! Huh?
Hi everyone, welcome back to Daily Doodles for You. Today I'm going to show you how to draw a character from Puss in Boots, The Last Wish. I'm going to show you how to draw Jack Horner, who is the main bad guy. So before we get started, please feel free to like, comment, subscribe, all of that good stuff really helps out the channel and I really appreciate it. All right, so let's start drawing Jack. We're gonna start with the head. Now he's got a pretty small head compared to the size of his body, so keep that in mind when you're drawing the head. We gotta make sure we save a lot of room on the page for his body compared to how little his head is. All right, so do a little circle like that and have a little bit of space. Do another circle. Starting with the eyes. And a little line here for a top eyelid. And I'm going to do a little circle here on the inside. And a little itty bitty circle. And then I'm going to color this part here in all black. Alright, so the next thing we're going to do is the nose. So here in between the eyes, we're going to do like a little curve and now a funny little shape. It's a pretty weird little shape, hey? So I'm going to do like a little nostril up here, kind of color this in darker, and same on this side. And I'm going to draw a line up here and up here, and we can do an eyebrow and another one, and do a smile. He's got a bit of a noticeable top lip, but the bottom lip isn't as noticeable. Okay, so now let's do the side of the face here. And big cheeks. Same over here. And do a little line right here and here on the sides here by the mouth. Now I'm going to do a few little wrinkles on the forehead. And just above that, we can start working on the hair. So I just did the bangs. So just kind of draw straight across and then little lines going upward. And now curve top of the head. And now the hair is going to come down. And by the big cheeks, we're going to do more little lines. And we're going to do the same over here. Okay, and we're going to do a few more little strokes of hair here. And now we can do a great big curve and another great big curve over here for the ears. Little curves in there. And now we're going to we're going to work on the outfit. So I'm going to start with a curve right here. And come on down a little bit on both sides and do another curve like that. And then I'm going to do a line going downward right there and another line going downward. And then turn this into a triangle. Same over here. Now I'm going to do a little line coming down and over. Same here, down and over. And now a little curve here, little curve here, and bring that to right here. And same on the other side. So now this part, do some little lines here, and then bring this down to a point. And a few more little lines, and come on up with a few little lines. And now right here, I'm going to draw a line going downward. And we'll have the same thing right here. So we have like a pointed shape right here. Right here, I'm going to come on down a little bit. Right here, we can come on down a bit as well. And right here. And I'm going to do a line going this way, great big shoulder. And same over here, great big shoulder. So big, it's not even fitting on the full, it's not even fitting on the page. And this line is going to continue to go down, 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 down. And same with this one. This one right here, I'm going to do a line slanting downward. Same over here. Right here, I'm going to do some circles, the buttons, and then I'm going to do a line right here, and a line coming down right here, and some more little circle buttons. Right here, we're going to do another line going across, and then come on down, and down on that side. Now, right here, let's bring this line down, go inward, come on out. We have like a little point here, and then bring this in right there. We're going to do the same on the other side. And bring this way. We got a little point now, and then bring this down here. Right here, we can do a line and come on up. And right here, we're going to do a little line. And then I would be coming up, but we ran out of room on the page, and that's okay. But here, I can do a little circle, and then a line coming down. Right here, we can bring a line down. And a line this way. Over here, bring a line coming on down. And we can see a little bit of the line going right there. Now we can do a thumb, little curve, and do another curve there for the hand. And same over here, we'll do a thumb, and then another longer shape like that for the rest of the hand. And I can do another finger, and another one, and another one. Over here, I can do another one, and then start the other one, and it's kind of being hidden there by the rest of the body. All right, so that's it for the sketch, and now I'm going to start with the coloring. All right, everyone, we're finished our drawing. Thank you very much for drawing with me today. I hope you have a wonderful day, and I hope to see you back here for the next Daily Doodle. All right, everyone, goodbye.